All right, let's get to the unboxing part. That's the fun part, right? Is getting your brand new laptop pulled out of this box. Sorry for the cough. We're going to rotate the box around. And the reason why is because with this slot, we're going to pull this open. Hopefully that you can do a good job with one hand without tearing the box, which is good. Okay, open this flap. Open this wide. Open that pretty wide. The laptop itself is actually behind this carton kind of protector here. And way down here, you can't see it because of the darkness, but way down here is actually the power adapter. It's called a power adapter, okay? And then the power cord that gets plugged into the power adapter and you plug into the wall, and then the other end of that connector that gets plugged into the laptop to give it power. I'll break that down in a moment. What we're gonna do is take the laptop, lay it down flat on the table, your bed, whatever you want to do, and then tip up this end and kind of give it a shake. And there we go. Did a pretty good job here. And that's it. And then all the stuff's down there, not important. And anything that's down there, let me see. Nope. So everything's out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. Right, this is the laptop wrapped up in a paper-like sleeve, and then the other end of the carton to protect the PC inside the box. PC, laptop is a type of PC, in case you're not aware. All right, so I'm trying to educate you as much as make sure you have the tools you need to be successful as a mom out there in Oregon, and get your son educated, and also get yourself educated, and just help you get a move on in life, okay? So what I'm going to show you next is the parts that were dumped out. This is the power cord. This is merely just a plastic protector on the end. I'm sure you can recognize that. This part, which plugs into the AC adapter, which is this guy, and it plugs in there. And then this part plugs into the laptop case, and I'll show you where that goes. That'll be the next thing in the next video.